In this video, you will learn how to lock Facebook profile officially. Open Facebook app and go to your profile. Tap on your profile picture or name on the app's home screen to view your profile picture. Tap the three dots in the menu next to the add story. Open the profile options by selecting the three horizontal dots on your profile header. Choose lock profile. If option is available, tap the lock profile from the menu to start the locking process. Review what locking does to your profile. Locking your profile and read the summary of changes. And confirm, then tapping the locking button. Verify your profile is locked. Facebook will show a confirmation message, such as a shield or lock icon in your profile picture, indicating that it is locked. Adjust additional privacy settings if you need to. If locked profile is not available, manually tighten your privacy. This could be by future posts to friends, limit past posts or restrict profile photos or info visibility. Now you know how to lock your Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.